Good morning. Today is the 22nd day of Shamanic initiation training, and we just had our 8th ceremony last night, and I just want to say that it was completely beautiful. Our group, somehow we just are so in sync with the singing. We were able to sing all of the 3 Icaros that Don Miguel has taught us so far. Actually, no, correction, I think there's a 4th one, but we learned the 3 main ones that he taught us, and we were not singing it softly or gently, but we were all singing them in full force, strongly, coherently with each other, with our hearts, and I could just feel the group. And ceremony yesterday was just so beautiful. In addition to singing the 3 Icaros that he taught us, we sang 2 chants that we learned from our friend Andra, who led us in singing I don't know the title, but it sort of goes like this: Gam ga pada pataye namaha, Om Gam Gana pataye namaha. So that was beautiful. She also led us in singing JJ Ram. I don't know if that's the title, but that's one of the words in that chant. That was beautiful. And then we all sang together very strongly the Ocean of Magnificence song taught to us by Elio, who again founded Aya Healing Retreats, Aya Healing Center, and it was beautiful. You know, we just learned that yesterday, and we were able to sing that in ceremony yesterday. And lastly, we were able to sing with the Shruti box my Noya Rao Gracious song that came as a download near the beginning of the retreat. So overall, it was such a beautiful experience. I could feel the heart coherence of the group. Our vibrations in ceremony last night was aligned, and I'm just so thankful to be here. Only 2 more ceremonies left before we go home, and I'm definitely gonna miss this group of people and this group of friends that I've made. Right now I'm just so full of love, and everything just feels so aligned and beautiful, and I'm just, thank you. What I also wanted to mention in that last video for the, let's see, it's hard to keep track of days here, for the 22nd day of Shamanic initiation training, for ceremony 8 last night, we were able to drink the ayahuasca brew that we all made together. You know, we pounded the ayahuasca vines, and then we picked the chacruna leaves ourselves, and then we cooked them all in a huge pot on a fire. And I want to say, whew, man, that brew, so powerful. I don't know if it's because we blessed it ourselves, or if we infused that brew with our own energy and songs. We kept singing Icaros while we were making it, but when I took that medicine, man, it was powerful. And it just shows you the importance of knowing how your medicine, or how anybody's medicine, is made. Was it made with the intention of love? You know, slowly, carefully. Was it sung to? And I know it's kind of sounds crazy. I've never thought about singing to medicine before, but I really feel like it infuses it with so much power, force, and energy that it's so beautiful, so amazing. So yeah, just something to think about. Where does the medicine that we use come from? Where do the products that we use come from? Are they made with love? I think it matters because I felt it so strongly last night, and I feel like however something is made, it'll resonate with that energy in the future, and that's how much it can impart to whoever is consuming it. Such a powerful lesson during this shamanic initiation retreat. I'll see you later.
If you like this video, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel.